Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can check and see all the devices your TikTok account has ever logged in. This means that you can see all the devices your TikTok is logged in, and the good thing about the devices your TikTok has ever been in, and you can slow logged out of all your accounts without needing to change your password. Today I'm going to teach you how you can simply check all your devices. It's simple, simply start by opening TikTok. Then simply go on the menu profile button. Then click on the top right corner button. Then after having this results, then go on Security and Login. Then go on Manage Devices. So now you can see that from here you can see that here are all the devices that have your TikTok account. And you can also click on this trash icon to simply remove your account from any device you want. So from now on you can manage all the devices on your phone however you want. So thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.